What's happening, YouTube? Alright guys, today welcome to another vlog of Growing Rips. It's your boy Rap again. So this video is all gonna be all about F30, the BMW that you guys seen in the last video. It's basically the same video, but it's gonna be like more pops and like loud. So if you were in headphones, make sure you lower down your voice or volume, whatever. And he's got tune on his car, and he's got intake, and he's got something done with the exhaust. I'll put the link in description, so if you guys want to check it out. I'll put his Instagram link in description too, if you guys want to check that out. If you guys like the video, make sure to hit the like, because that's how I know that you guys like the video. And make sure to leave comment what else you guys want to see about cars, because my channel is all about cars. Thank you so much for watching.